Can you hear me online?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone clear about the three methods, right? Difference between the three methods. Is there any doubt regarding the three methods? Least cost, northwest corner and Vogel's approximation method? Anyone? Yeah? No doubts? So let us do one more question on Vogel's approximation. So copy down the question. So copy down this question. Okay. So this is a balanced question. So have you gone through online yesterday? You are in online or not? No, you have not listened online classes. So okay. So this is Vogel's approximation method. So it is P1, P2, P3, P4. This is P1, P2, P3 and this is P4. Okay. So this is Vogel's approximation method. Copied everyone? Question? Online copied?
Yes, ma'am.
So copy it offline. Copy. So write down this fastly, copy it fastly. So listen it carefully. You have not listened, right? So this is Vogel's approximation method. Okay, there are three methods: least cost and northwest corner rule. I will explain after. Okay, listen this Vogel's approximation method. Okay. So now tell me P1, what we need to take? So we need to choose the first least cost here. So the first least cost is here 16 in the first, this is row and this is column, these are columns and these are rows. So we need to choose the first least cost in the first row. So it is 16. So the next least cost is 18. So the difference between the two least cost is 2. Okay, 18 minus 16, it's 2. नेक्स्ट रो में कौन सा वाला 12, right? 12 minus 17, it's 5. Okay. So in this next row, 12 minus next least cost is 22, right? So here it is 10. Clear? Yes. So now we have completed from row wise. So now we need to see column wise. So here pehla first listen to the class, okay, then after copy it. Okay. So first here in the column wise we need to do. So here the column first one is least cost is 12, next 22, here it will be 10, here 17 minus 27, it's 10, next 12 minus 16, it's 4, next 18 minus 32, how much? 18 minus 13, 14. Okay. So we need to choose from row wise and the column wise the higher number. Okay. So here the higher number is from the column wise and the row wise is 14, right? So this will be chosen. So we need to first reduce the W4 का numbers reduce करना है. अभी कितना required है W4 में 41. So we need to choose the least number in this column. So 18 is the least number, right? So 18 में कितना required था? Factory में 30 units. We have 41 units. So we can satisfy this 30 units. So this 41 units should be reduced. 30 units should be reduced from this 41. So how many still more units? It will be 11. So it will come 0. So it is 0. So we need to cross down this. Clear? Not clear? This is clear. Is this clear? Yes. So we need to choose a higher number from the column wise and the row wise. So this is the higher number we have chosen. मतलब इस column में देखना पड़ेगा अभी. This column, which one is the least cost in this column? 18, right? So 18 में कितना units require है? 30. And the fact W4 में कितना है? अभी 41 है. So you can minus this 30 from this 41. मतलब अभी ये 30 units, whatever factory 1 required 30 units can be provided by warehouse 4. So 41 minus 30, here it will be 11. So it's already factory 1 got 30 units, right? So it will become 0. So now this factory 1 has produced with units what it want. So you need to cross it. Okay. So the second one, next do P2. अभी ये रो में कुछ नहीं है, अब कैंसिल हो गया ना. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड रो में 5, नेक्स्ट 10, नेक्स्ट हियर टेल मी 12 minus 22 here 10. So 17 minus 28, 3 and 8, 13, right? Sorry, 11. Next 12 minus 28, next 51 minus 32, how much?
20.
20. No, not 20.
19.
Yes, 19. So which one is a higher number? Next, this one only 19. So which one is the least number among the 51 and 32? 32 is the least number. So in W4 we have only 11 units, but here the factory 3 is required 53 units. So if W4 can produce only 11 units for F3. So it becomes 0, so cross this. So now 53 minus 11, tell me how much? 42. So 42. Okay, clear? Clear? So next P3, next tell me 12 minus, this is the least number, right? 12 minus 17, it's 5 again. So next 12 minus 22, it's 10. So next 22 minus 12, 10. Here 11, here 8. So which one is the higher number among the rows and columns of P3? 11. Yes. So 11, so we have to see in the W2. So here which one is the least number? 17. So 17 में कितना units required था F2 को? 40. But here the warehouse can produce only 35. So take that 35 and make it 0, and here still how many units are required? 5 units for F2. So cross down. Okay. Next कौन सा नंबर है अभी? 20 minus 12, it's 8. Next 22 minus 12, it's 10. Next 10, so this is nothing, and here it's 8. So it's okay. So here 10 and here 10. So both are more numbers. So they are same numbers with higher digit. So now what we need to take online?
The least.
So the least, but here the least, look at here 10, when we take this 10, so here 12 is the least number. When we take this 10, that one also 12 only least number. Actually this, sorry, here it is the 12, here it is the 12. So we need to take the column or the row which have least number to satisfy. Here it only requires 5 units right in this 12. So you need to take this. When there are similar numbers and the least numbers, so now you have to choose the units. First point is, when there are two numbers with same higher number, you need to choose the lowest number from the rows and columns. And the second point, where there are rows and columns also the numbers is same, the least cost are same, then you have to choose the units what it has. Okay. So the least units it is, now we can make this 5 0 soon. Okay, because there are 22 units in W1, F2 requires only 5 units, so it will become 0 soon. So how many units here?
17.
So here write 5. So this became 0, cancel. So next here there are 42 units. So here 25 units are required, and here 17 units. So 17 plus 25, it is 0, right? So make it 0 everything. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Try to do. If any doubt, ask me. So whether it a feasible solution or not. So m plus n minus 1 is equal to number of cells occupied. M plus n, rows and columns how much? M is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, right? So 7 minus 1 is equal to how many number of cells occupied? Number of cells occupied matlab ye wala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 7 minus 1, 6. So 6 is equal to 6. So it's a feasible solution. So tell me the total cost. If you don't get, ask me, because it's very important chapter and very important method also. That's why you need to be very regular to the classes. If not, you will miss everything. Okay, tell me the total cost. Is it clear or not? Clear. Try to do. Do it on your own till which step you have understood. Do till that. If you have any doubts, then I will explain.
And total cost 2221.
Yes, 2221. 3221. Everyone got that? Triple
ma'am.
2 1. Finished? Can I arise? Online clear, right everyone?
Yes, ma'am. So can I arise?
Yes,
ma'am.
Offline, what happened? Not coming? फोटो लेगा, ट्राई करो, नहीं आ रही है, डाउट है क्या, कहाँ? इसके बाद अभी बोला था ना, ये 14 था ना, ये इस कॉलम में देखना पड़ेगा कौन सा लीस्ट कॉस्ट है, 18 राइट. सो पुट हियर दैट बॉक्स शेप का, पुट नाउ हियर देर आर the factory one requires 30 units. So but the warehouse, this is a fourth warehouse, right? So this warehouse has only what, how many units? 41 units. So, okay, so this factory one can get 30 units from warehouse, yes, right, because it has more units what a factory one is required. So write down 30, make this 30 and cross that and make it 0, right here 0, yes. So now 30 minus 41, still how many units will be there in W4? 11, okay. So next do P2 like that only, cross this because sorry, this one cross this one because it became 0, right, F1 पूरा units मिला था उसको इसीलिए. Next P2 करो, next. So which one is the least cost? 12, next one 17, so 5, write down 5, next 12, next 22, so it's 10, okay. Next column का भी row का भी sorry column का भी कर दो, 10, next 17 minus 28, how much? 11, next 8, next 19, yes. So this will be the higher number, right, again in this W4 only. So round it out, round it, and which one is the least cost among these two? 32, right. So 32 में अभी W4 में कितना units है? Only 11 units, but this F3, so this is the least number, so we need to 3. F3 requires how many units? 53, but W warehouse can give only 11 units, so write down. So 11 units अभी F3 को मिलेगा, so put down. So 53 minus 11, 42. Okay, so this 11 became 0, cross it and make it 0. So this W4 became 0 now. So whenever this 30 plus 11, so you got 41, so here 30. So here after doing that, if you get any doubt, add this, whatever you have took here, so add like this and like this, you need to get these units. So now cross this because it became 0, right, cross it down, make like that. Next one, next P3 करो अभी, put dash, next कितना 10, next, next. एट, नेक्स्ट डैश, हाँ नेक्स्ट. अभी कौन सा नंबर अभी बढ़ा है? 11. सो 11 मतलब कि इसमें कौन सा लीस्ट कॉस्ट है? 17, राइट. सो 17 में अभी कितना यूनिट्स रिक्वायर्ड था? 40. बट हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स? W, so 35, टेक दैट 35, राइट. 35, पुट 35. सो मेक दैट 0, 35 क्रॉस करके 0 और ये 40. अभी कितना यूनिट्स बाकी है? 5. So next, cross it down. This 0 became 0, right? So cross that. Okay, next do P4 like that. Okay, now is that clear? Okay, so we'll do one more question. Okay, so the copy the question. So this is also a balanced question. So balanced question matlab offline. So by calculating columns and rows you need to get the same value. If there is any differences, so then now you need to add a dummy matrix. Okay, when like 60, 70, 80 कितना है अभी? 140 plus 70, 210, right? So this is 210, this is 210. So calculate like that. This one also 160 plus 50, 210, right? So now this is a balanced question where we got, for example, like this is 40. Let us think this is 40. So now it will be 200 only. Okay. So now this is an unbalanced question. Okay. This is an unbalanced question. So now we need to make that balanced. So how we need to make that balanced? So the differences is how much? 10. So 10 कहाँ से मतलब ये column wise it is difference, right? So now you need to add a dummy matrix called W4, make that values as 0 and here you need to put 10. So now calculate 40 plus 80 plus 80 plus 10, you will get 210. So like that. If it is the difference from here, if it is 210 only, but this is 200, now here you need to add zeros, 0, 0, 0 and put the 10 here. Okay. So this is very important. I am saying again and again, question if gets from transportation, he will surely ask it from Vogel's approximation only. Least cost and north-west corner, मतलब वो बहुत कम chances है. Chances are there, but very low. Right. P1, P2, P3 and P4. Okay. Next. So tell me which one is the least cost? 7 minus 3 it is 5, sorry 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. So next 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 minus 3 2. Okay. Next 8 minus 3 5. 8 minus 3 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So there are now how many 5s? 3 5s. So 5 is the higher number and there are 3 5s. So here and here and here. So tell me which number? Yeah, tell me.
W2 में 4 होगा ये. 7 minus 3.
हाँ 4 लिखा था.
मैम नीचे
उसके नीचे
रो में
मैम ये P1 है जो रो का
ओके ओके ओके. So this is 4, right? Okay. So now there are 2 5s. So tell me which one you should take. So by seeing W1 there are this 3 is getting, and by seeing this one also this 3 is only getting, right? So this is the 3 you can take. Okay. We'll take from column wise because there are 50 units, there are 70 units. So this 50 units get cancelled from 70. Now this can be 0, right? So write 50. So here there are 20. Okay. So next 7 minus 3 4, 8 minus 1 9, 8 minus 9 1, 2, here 4 and 2. So which one is the higher number? Here 4 and there 4. So here we are getting this 3, and by seeing this one we are getting this 3. So which one we need to take? So we will take these 3. Okay. So this number will take, because here both will get 0, here 0 and here 0. Okay. The answer will become very easy. Okay. So here 80 is required. So it's already has 60. Write down this 60. Already here we have 20. So write down this 20. 60 plus 20. Here we got 80, right? So it is 0. So no need of doing P3 and P4. Clear, everyone? So tell me m plus n minus 1. M plus n minus 1 is equal to number of cells occupied. Clear, everyone? Is there any doubt? So 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 minus 1 is equal to, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so one more is missing. So we are not getting a feasible solution, so we have did somewhere wrong. Fifty, 80, 80, next 80, 70 and 60, right? So by taking that 4 and 5 we are not getting right answer, so we'll choose another one. So 7 minus 3 4 and here 5, here 2, so here 5, so here 4, 2. So we'll choose, we have chosen this one, right? So we'll choose from this point of view 5. So 5 here, that one only will get 50. So 0, 20. So this get cancelled. Next here 4, 1, 2 and 5 and 2. Okay. Achha, sorry, here 4. Okay, 4. We have chosen this 3, right? So now you will choose this one. So here we need 60. So this will become 0. There are still 20 more units. Next 8 minus 1 and 3 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 3, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. So 5 is the, so like that also this one only getting. Question is wrong, I think so, maybe. So it became 0, cancel. Now this is, previously also we got the same thing, right? 80, 80, 60, 70, 80. Minus 5. I think somewhere it's somewhere it's missing. 1 second, I will check the question. $50, $80, $86, 11, 3, 4. So leave it. I think it's, the question is wrong. Okay, leave it. So the question which I have sent you images at the WhatsApp. So look at that question. A company has 3 factors F1, F2 and F3 which supply the same product to 5 agencies A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Unit production cost, shipping cost and selling prices are given below. So they have given, so what are the 5 agencies and 3 factories? So the 3 factories are denoted as F1, F2, F3 and 5 agencies as A1, A2 and A3. So F1, F2, F3 का production cost per unit कितना है? 28, 35 and 29. So production capacity कितना है? 110, 240 and 125. So how many factories? So we have 3 factories, right? So pay attention to this question. This is somewhat typical. So this is, the question is telling F1, F2, F3 and A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. In the exam you will get the question like this only. You need to frame the matrix by looking that question. Okay. So now the production unit F1, F2 are, this is 28 units, 35 units, this 29 units. Just write a sign. So what are the production capacities? It has 110, 240 and 125. Now the selling price कितना है? A1 का just write down with small number small letters. Just put a bracket and write down 45 and 41. So the demand कितना है अभी? Demand is for 80 units, this is 100 units, and this is 75 units, and this is 45 units, and this is 125 units. Now you need to fill this matrix. Okay, we need to fill the matrix with the given values. Actually he gave only the shipping cost. So set up the initial transportation matrix for minimization. Now the question is of minimization. So now he just given us the shipping cost. So tell me, so this is, what is this? This is the selling price, yes, and this is the purchase price. Okay, production cost is nothing but purchase price, and the shipping cost. शिपिंग कॉस्ट कितना हो रही है? फर्स्ट यूनिट में A1 का देखो, F1 to A1 में कितना है? 3, राइट. सो दिस प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट F1 में कितना है? 28, राइट. सो दिस 28 प्लस 3 माइनस 40, प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट प्लस शिपिंग कॉस्ट 3. सो 28 प्लस 3 हाउ मच? 31. सो 31 माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस 40. So how much will be the number? Write down here as 28 plus 3 minus 40. So the number will be?
Minus 9.
9, yes. So the next one also tell me like that only. So the production.
मैम, W1 का प्राइस क्या है?
A1 का प्राइस 40 है, 40.
A2 का?
A2 का 48, A3 का 42, नेक्स्ट 45 एंड नेक्स्ट 41.
मैम,
यस,
मैं -9 लिखे या फिर +9?
that is equal to it's equal to 9. I have written just for understanding. Actually you need to write only the number 9, but for understanding I have written like this. This 28 plus the shipping cost is given in the matrix, right, plus 3 minus this selling price. So you will get the cost. So next tell me the value of A2. 28 plus 9 minus 48. Tell me 28 plus 9. 28 plus 9 minus 48. So everyone clear? Is there any doubt? Why many people are logged out? Are you not understanding what? Do join the class, students.
Yes, ma'am.
So do this matrix and tell me the total matrix values. So A2 का value कितना आता है? F1 to A2. Do it fastly and tell me now.
मैम,
Yeah.
मैम यहाँ पे जो 3 है, 28 plus 3,
Yes.
ये कहाँ से लिया गया है 3?
Actually you are not following the question. What? I have sent you the images, right?
Yes, मैम.
So look at that question. Shipping cost करके एक मैट्रिक्स है ना, उसमें से लिया है. Just read the question carefully first of all. Then you will get to know what is what.
Okay, ma'am.
So you're getting right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do it and tell me the matrix values. So the first one is 9.
11.
So offline, what happened? 9, 11. nothing but selling price minus purchase price only. So the next one,
6.
yes, 6. Next, everyone online, only Anjana is telling, remaining
Ma'am,
students,
155.
5. Next,
Next one also 5, ma'am.
next one also 5. Yes, next, 35 plus 6, 41, 41 minus 40 minus 1, right? Next, 35 plus 10, 45, 45 minus 48, sorry, 48 minus 45 is 3. This is 1, and this is 8, and this is 29, 29, 32, 32 minus 48. So everyone got these values or not? Check once. Clear? Is there any doubt? Doubt है क्या? Clear है? Write down there like 28. How when you revise again, you'll get confused. So write over there with the pencil like 28 plus 3. So it's minus that. So ऐसे लिख लीजिए पेंसिल से, नहीं तो आपको बहुत कंफ्यूज होगा when you are doing revisions. Okay. So did you got everyone same values?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Doubt? 11 is also same like that only. 11 is also like that only. What's the shipping cost in the A2? So it is 9, right? So 28 plus 9 minus 48. So that's why I'm telling write with pencil here. Write down with the pencil.
Question.
Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
So now tell me, this demand and this फैक्ट्री का यूनिट सेम है कि नहीं? ये बैलेंस्ड क्वेश्चन है, नहीं तो अनबैलेंस्ड है. देखो पहला, कैलकुलेट दिस वैल्यूज एंड दिस वैल्यूज. सो इज दैट अ बैलेंस्ड और अनबैलेंस्ड क्वेश्चन? टेल मी. 110 plus 240 plus 125.
नहीं.
Unbalanced.
कितना डिफरेंस आ रही है?
50, ma'am.
69.
50.
50. अच्छा ठीक है, मतलब रो वाइज और इट्स कॉलम वाइज. द डिफरेंस इज फ्रॉम रो वाइज और कॉलम वाइज?
Row wise.
रो वाइज. रो वाइज मतलब ऐसे.
Yes, ma'am.
इसका वैल्यू
Row
कितना
wise.
है?
475.
475. सो व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस?
425.
420. 425 मतलब कॉलम वाइज, राइट? कॉलम वाइज, it's not row wise, it's column wise. So we need to introduce a dummy matrix. So here we need to introduce a dummy matrix because this, like this, they are difference is getting, so 0 0. So what's the difference? 50, right? So tell me these values. 110, 240, 125 and 125. So this will be A6. Okay. So now the question is telling what? The set up the initial transportation matrix for minimization. So minimization मतलब अभी ये वाला profits में है, अभी profits को minimize करना है. Sorry, they have given they have given cost. So the cost is more. So we need to minimize the cost. Okay. So whenever they tell us that here they have given cost. In some questions they will give the profit. So when the profit is given, so we need to do loss matrix, loss making matrix. So now here we will do minimization matrix, similar, but there we will take profit, here we will take cost, that is all. Okay. But the problem and the step is same only. Okay. Whenever he will ask in the question for minimization, the same thing you need to do, but the terms are different only. Okay. So we will do here down. So it may be, it will be called as minimization matrix and loss making matrix. Okay. So now we are doing loss making matrix or minimization matrix. So this is very important, these steps are very important, just pay attention. So tell me A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. So this is F1, F2 and F3. So here they are telling us to minimize the cost. So we need to minimize the cost by taking the higher number. So in this total matrix, which one is the higher number? 11, right? So 11 is the higher cost. So this 11 should be reduced from every number. So 11 minus 9, 2, 11 minus 11, think like that, 0. So 11 minus 6, 5. So 11 minus 5, 6. 11 minus 5, 6, 11 minus 0, 11, next 11 minus 1, sorry, 11 minus and minus plus, that will be 12. So 11 minus 3, how much? 8. So 11 minus 1, 10, 11 minus 8, 3, 11 minus 1, 10. Everyone clear? Doubt? Yes or no? Tell me.
No.
No. Clear? Everyone clear? Huh? 11 minus into minus plus, it will become plus, right? 11 minus 1 करना पड़ता है, पर लेकिन here already it has a minus. So minus into minus, it will become plus. So it will become plus 1. Clear? Yeah. नहीं ऐसे सेलिंग प्राइस से परचेज कॉस्ट निकालना पड़ेगा. हाँ 40 माइनस 31 निकालना पड़ेगा. हियर यू गेट -1. हियर यू गेट -1 बिकॉज 35 प्लस 6, 40 माइनस 41 -1 will actually in accounts you have, right? So we'll always reduce the selling price minus purchase cost. So we'll do here, you write selling price minus purchase price, not purchase price minus selling price. Okay, loss making matrix clear? First we made matrix, then after we need to look that it is a balanced or unbalanced. If it is unbalanced, make that matrix as balanced. Then after we need to, if the question is asking for minimization or loss making, then we need to make that loss making matrix. Till here clear? In this one question everything is covered. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. I am erasing this. Okay. So now we will do the Vogel's approximation method में अभी हम problem solve करेंगे. So we got a perfect matrix now to solve in Vogel's approximation. So you want to copy down? Copied or you want to? Copied. ठीक, यहाँ तक किया था ना? So I am clearing it. So tell me values again. 1, 2, 3. So do it if you want, you can do it on your own. Try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, F1, F2. So what's the values? So it's 2, 0. Do it under Vogel's approximation method. Whenever in the question if he is not mentioned about the method, so you need to do under Vogel's approximation. Okay, write down that we are doing under Vogel's approximation and do it under this method. If he don't mention, if he mentions, do it under that method. So everyone trying it on your own or not? Okay. So now, so 3 minus 2, 1, 2 minus 0, 2, and 10 minus 5 it's 4, 3 minus 1 it's 2, 5 minus 6, 1, 11 minus 11, 0. Next 6, 2 minus 0, 2, and 10 minus 8 is 5, and next 1 minus 1 it's 0. So here the highest number is 5. So among the 5, which one is the least number? 3. So 3, it has 45 units, so here there are 240 units, so it will become 195. So 45 becomes 0, cancel. So next do 1, 2, 4, same, 1, 0, and here 2 only, here nothing, sorry, here it will come, right. So 8 minus 10, 2, and 3 minus 2 minus 1, 1. So here the highest number will be 4. So here the 4 will take, so 75 units, so it becomes 0, cancel. So 75 मतलब कितना units बाकी होगा? 50. So next 1, 2, 1, 0, 2, and this is 2, and next it's 1. So now there are 3 2's, so you will take here, right, because it's the value is the least value it has, so we'll take here. So how many units are required? 100. So here there are 110, so it's 10 units remaining. So cancel this. Clear everyone? Doing with me or not? Clear है कि नहीं? Doubt होगा तो पूछ लो मुझे. हाँ? Online clear or not? Are you doing?
Yes,
6 minus to 4 and 2 and 2 1 0. So now the 4 will be the higher number. Here 2 is the least number. So remaining 10 units are there here. So it will become 0. Now here there are 70. So cross like this. So next P5 it will come. So what's the P5? Here there is nothing. 1. Nine. So here 9 will be the higher number. So here there are only 50 units, but here there are 70 units, right? So 20 units will remain. It will become 0. Okay. So here the remaining numbers are only 50. So 125, and here there are 20 units remain. So 20 plus 125 plus 50, how much? It's 195, right? So fully satisfied. So everything got cancelled. So m plus n minus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 3 plus 6 minus 1 is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So it's a feasible solution we got. So tell me the total cost. Total cost बता दो मुझे. So how much total cost?
From 2420.
Huh?
2420.
2430. 2432.
2420.
2420. Okay. So we'll continue next questions in the next class. Thank you. Come regularly, everyone.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah.
Happy Teachers Day.
Thank
Happy
you.
Teachers Day.
Thank you.